So suppose you tell me about your education. What are the various competitive exams you appeared till date with their result and ranking? What are your future career goals? How do you wish to achieve them? Okay.
After 12th, I came here in Junjunu and I joined State Motilal PG College, and I decided to pursue my graduation in BCom. In third year of my graduation, I scored 72.66% aggregate.
Okay.
Talking about the competitive exams that I have appeared after my education, so this time I have appeared for AFCAT and CDS as well, but I was not able to clear both of the exams. I have also appeared for SSC CGL exam. I cleared the Tier 1 exam, but I was not able to clear the Tier 2 exam. I appeared it for last year. And talking about my teachers, the teacher I liked the most in my schooling was my class teacher when I was in 7th standard, Mrs. Usha Bhosle ma'am. I used to like her because she was the one who introduced me to meditation and journaling. When I was in school, what she used to do that she told us that when you come back from assembly, you have 5 to 10 minutes to yourself. So during that time, you have to just sit quietly and recall what you did yesterday. So doing that process regularly, it became a habit, and I started doing it before sleeping. I used to recall what I did throughout the day and what I could do tomorrow. And currently I have evolved it into journaling also. I have started journaling my entire day, and I have also started planning
We'll talk about your hobbies later.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your teachers and sports and other friends.
And there was no as such teacher whom I never liked. And talking about my friends, I am a very approachable person, so I have many friends. But talking about the very close and inner circle, I have 5 closest friends whom I consider the closest. They are Deepika, Sashank, Shriraj, Priyanka and Siddhi. Out of which 2 are my college friends and 3 are my school friends. And I consider them as my closest friend because they'll never hesitate to point out my mistakes. They'll always want me to be a better person, so they'll always say wherever I'm going wrong, they'll never hesitate to point out my mistake. So that is why I consider them as my closest friend. Talking about my participation in co-curricular activities and sports, during my schooling days, I took actively part in sports and other co-curricular activities. During my school days, I took part in elocution competitions, and I was also very interested in anchoring during the various school programs.